Hey guys, my name is Maddie, and I'm the social media marketing manager and customer service rep here at Jack's Chrome Shop. I'll be doing voiceover for a lot of our upcoming videos, and I'm helping produce the Jack and Dave Show. More about that later. Let's get started. It's a bitter 30 degrees here in Indiana, and we're missing the warmth of summer and truck shows. Today we're talking briefly about the Chi-Town Large Car Truck Show that you're seeing drone footage of right now, and later on we'll update you on the shop and our new exciting project. The Chi-Town Large Car Truck Show and Benefit was held in Valparaiso, Indiana at the Porter County Expo Center. Our shop is about 90 minutes south of Valparaiso, so the drive for us was well worth it. We found a variety of trucks here right outside of Chicago. Some brand new Peterbilts, some classics, and even a one-of-a-kind unique hot rod truck. If you're in the Chicago area next summer, you'll definitely want to roll through the Chi-Town Large Car Truck Show and Benefit. You might even see us there. Next, Chrome and Steel Radio. You've probably heard of it. Jack and Dave are hosting a radio show called The Jack and Dave Show on the Chrome and Steel Radio Network, and I'm helping produce it. Our first show hits Chrome and Steel Radio December 16th. None of us are drivers, but we do work in the transportation industry. We hope to give a unique point of view on the trucking industry from outside the cab. Running a business in the transportation industry, all things chrome, and maybe a little comedy will be found on the Jack and Dave Show. We hope you guys will follow the Chrome and Steel Radio Network and the Jack and Dave Show on social media and listen to our first episode airing December 16th, along with the Bill Weaver Show, Road Tested Living, the Robert Greene Show, and many more. Thank you all for watching, and remember, if your rig don't shine, you don't know Jack.